In these difficult times, if we are into COVID recovery phase or we are vegetarian and finding out some high protein snack, this dish is for you guys. Hi guys, I'm Zui. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Simply Health. Today we are going to try a different recipe. The name is crispy chickpea. It has only 3 ingredients: chickpea, oil and chaat masala. Let's see. Let me tell you a small history of today's star ingredient, that is chickpea. It was born in Turkey, then it traveled down to India. In India, it is used in many dishes and in many forms. In Middle Eastern cuisine, it is still a star ingredient. Around 1 bowl of chickpea will give you 18 to 20 grams of protein. So all the vegetarian guys who are struggling for high protein snack, this dish is for you guys. So do try my recipe and let me know your feedback in my comment section, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, happy cooking!